Hey guys, it's Glamorous TT here. What's up? My hair is looking kind of crazy right now. And I know you guys are not used to this view, but you guys, I only have this view because of the purpose of this video. Okay, you guys. So I recently went to my beauty supply store and I purchased this baby hair brush. It's a dual baby hair brush. I don't know the exact name because it didn't have a name on the label, but it's basically a brush on one side and a comb on the other. And this is going to be my first time doing my baby hair with this brush, you guys. I am usually accustomed to using my toothbrush. So the toothbrush I use, this my handy dandy cheap $1 toothbrush. Okay, I'm just going to be reviewing this and kind of comparing it or doing a verse, like which one is better. Is it better to just stick with your dollar toothbrush, or you can go ahead and buy a dual brush comb baby hair thingamajig? I got it at my beauty supply store for $2.99. I was gonna get it on Amazon because it was $1, but when I went to go ship it to where I live, it was $10 just to ship it, and I was like, no, not gonna happen. So basically I'm comparing this $3 brush, it was $2.99, to this Dollar Tree, you know, toothbrush. I don't think I would ever trade my baby, which is my toothbrush, because I've been doing this for years. I've been doing this method for years, and obviously this brush just came out not too long ago. Well, the main products that I use for my baby hair only is it's called Organics styling gel, and I like this gel just because I've tried to use what is it, holding edge, like edge control or stuff like that. My hair, it doesn't work. It just it would hold it for a little while and then you'll see it rising up, or it'll just never stay how I want it to. It actually starts to become very greasy as well. A lot of people that I recommended this to, they say that this leaves their hair flaking. With me, I never had that problem, I guess because I do add oil to it once I'm adding it to my hair, because I don't want it to dry out. This product is very drying, so if you do use this product, I recommend that you add some oil in your hair. So I'm going to try my best to do it on camera. Right now I'm looking at the camera to see how I'm doing. I usually do this step in the mirror. So let's see. I'm going to use the comb now. Okay. I do like the comb for combing out the baby hair. Okay. Usually when it's at the bottom, I just flick it out. Just hold it. Oh wow. It actually looks pretty decent. It looks pretty decent, you guys. So I'm gonna go, hopefully you guys can see. Okay. The only thing that I can say is different is the comb. I don't have the comb to probably comb it out. Ugh. And it is taking a little bit long. Okay, so this is a recreation of this side, just using this. So it's not that bad, not that bad. So I'm gonna go back on this side, and let's probably use the comb more. Maybe the comb is to bring down I don't really know what the heck to use the comb for. Okay, so I would say that the brush is more sturdier, like it's more thicker and more coarser. I'm not sure if it's because I do have a soft bristle brush, so maybe that plays a big part with defining the baby hair. You guys, while I was off camera, I was trying to play with it more, and I actually got to like almost accomplish this cute little squiggly line using the comb. I'm so upset that I didn't get to catch that on camera. Ugh, the best moments always happen when the camera is off. Like, I'm telling you, you guys. But this kind of baby hair is not usually my style. It's not really what I go for, but I'll keep this for video purposes, and I am going to be doing a makeup look, so I might just incorporate this into that look. So with this, I would have to comb it out, like using all of my forehead, well, the side of my head basically, just to comb it out. And then I will put that in my pony like so. And the same for up here. I will do the same thing, just like that. Oh my gosh, I hate to say it, but I like this side better. So going back on this side, with my baby hair, I have a widow's peak and my edges is kind of, you know, kind of retarded in some kind of ways. So I'm just gonna basically do my signature swoop to this side. I'm gonna need my mirror for this, so you might have to MacGyver something. Okay. Ooh. Okay. And you guys, just by judging this brush, I always thought it was going to be coarse and very hard on the scalp, but it's really not. Like, speaking from somebody who is tender-headed, you guys, I am tender-headed, you understand? So it's not like tough where it's like it's going to leave a scar or hurt you. I did my swoop, and the process of doing this usually with my toothbrush is long. Okay, you guys, this brush is bomb. Like, I'm sorry, toothbrush, I'm so sorry, but this brush has won the competition as far as baby hairs. Okay, this laid my baby hairs so good. The only thing is, it does have a lot of product on the brush, so I'm going to have to like wash it immediately after each time I'm using it, which is no problem. Is no problem doing that. But oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this brush. I might have to just go over and fix my other baby hairs. But all in all, I would prefer to use this brush than this brush. Like, look at this. I never would have accomplished this using, whoa, I just thought of something. What if this side is to just lay it flat? You guys, don't study me, because I'm just joking. I don't really know if it's to lay flat or anything. I'm just joking. But all in all, like I said before, this is going to be my go-to baby hair tool. I know it looks pretty disgusting, but that's all of the product that is left back in the brush. So I do recommend that you wash it after each use. Mine is gel, so I would want to wash this immediately after every use, because I don't want the gel to start getting clumpy and sticky and gooey. But yes, you guys, look at my edges. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.